Hi everyone. In this demo, we will see how we can run our Flogo application as standalone application in a Kubernetes cluster. And we will also see how we can inject the license file as a secret inside the pod and replace that secret uh, about the license file when it comes to the expiry. So for the demo purpose, I have a Kubernetes cluster running on my Docker. I have let's see how many namespaces I have. Okay, so we can run everything in the default namespace. So first of all, what we will do is we will just create a secret from the license file that we have got. First, I will create the secret from this particular file, which is going to expire in the next 9 days. We will see in the application log as well. I will create a generic secret using this license file with the name tib-license, and we will refer this tib-license as a volume mount inside our deployment.yaml. Let me show you the structure of the deployment.yaml that we have created. So it's a simple REST app, which is using the image REST app colon v1, which is this image has been created on my machine. I am referring this from my local machine. The application is running on 9999 port. And as we know, to activate a production Flogo file, we need to set this particular environment variable tib underscore activation. And this is pointing to a directory where our license files will be placed. And we are referring to a directory instead of a file path. And we are injecting this tib-license secret that we created as a volume. And we are mounting that volume with this particular location in our container. So when I created that secret will be injected as is inside this container, and that the value will be uh, set as with this particular environment variable tib underscore activation. So let us apply this deployment.yaml to create the pod. As we can see, the pod has been created. Let's check. All right. So we can check the logs of the pod. This is the pod that got created. As you can see, the internal test is going to end into 8 days. So now what happens is when your license expires, your Flogo app get stopped and you just need to explicitly restart it with a new license file. So what we will do is before this license file expires, we will just add a new license file which has the extended date of expiry. So what we will do is I have another file which is going to expire in maybe 90 days. And I'll create another secret with this particular file in the same namespace. Okay. And with the same name, because we had given our secret name as tib-license. So our license has been updated with this particular file, which is going to get expired into next 90 days. Now the Flogo's revalidation service will read this license file, will check when this license file is getting expired and apply those changes into the running application without having need to restart the application. We will check the logs of the app. If you can see, the revalidation service started, and now it is showing the revalidate the internal test is confirmed through 10th of June 2026. So that's how we can actually make our Flogo application running without having a need to restart when we replace the license file as secret. Thank you, everyone.